this video, we're going to see how to solve this. So first of all, you have to select the layer. And then with the right button of your mouse, you click on Edit Contents. This will open a new file. Here you have to click on the locker, so this way is unlocked. And then you have to select the layer, go to Edit, Copy, and paste it here. It will generate a new layer. But this time you can actually cut it. So this layer 9 is the one we just copied. And if we do like this and click delete, it's cut basically. So like this it works. And we can hide this. So each time you have this error message, basically you have to edit the content, copy the layer, paste the layer in the new file. That's it.